Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Internal and external threats. Internal security threats. Attacks can be originated from within an organization or from outside of the organization, as shown in the figure. An internal user, such as an employee or contract partner, can accidentally or intentionally mishandle confidential data, threaten the operations of internal servers or network infrastructure devices, facilitate outside attacks by connecting infected USB media into the corporate computer system, accidentally invite malware onto the network through malicious email or websites. Internal threats also have the potential to cause greater damage than external threats, because internal users have direct access to the building and its infrastructure devices. Employees also have knowledge of the corporate network, its resources, and its confidential data, as well as different levels of user or administrative privileges. External security threats. External threats from amateurs or skilled attackers can exploit vulnerabilities in network or computing devices, or use social engineering to gain access. The chart categorizes different types of cyber attackers. Outside attackers includes organized attackers, such as cybercriminals, hacktivists, terrorists, and state-sponsored hackers, such as black hats, gray hats, and white hats. Amateurs. The insiders are employees, ex-employees, contract staff, and trusted partners.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.